Hello people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna do a clear makeup with no face reshape and only red lipstick made accent. Let's do it. Alright, first we need to apply the base all over my face. I already applied my foundation on my neck. When I wear so bright clothes and my hair is also blonde, I like to make my skin like one tone darker. I'm using brush for more details. And that's enough. I'm gonna apply the powder now. For my eyes, I'm gonna use only natural tones. The only dark thing that I will have on my face will be the lashes. The base for the eyes is like a glue for eyeshadow. Can you imagine doing the eyeshadow transition on a sticky base? That's why I always tap a bit of powder before applying the eyeshadow colors. I'm using two brushes for one color, big one so I can cover a wider area and blend it, and a smaller one to amplify the color where I want. I will highlight the roundness of the eyelid by applying a bit of light accent on top of the dark shade. And connect the lower lid with the same beige tone. You don't always have to use dark and contrasting colors to underlay the eyes. Before going to the next step, which is lashes, I'm gonna apply a highlighter, and it will be only on the top of my nose. This is not a highlighter, I'm only cleaning it, this part with matte shadow, with light matte shadow. First, I will use a red pencil to cover the areas on the lips which erase the fastest, and then the lipstick on top of it. What I like about this makeup is that it's fast and easy, but looks good and classy. Also, you can do it at home, by yourself. See you on the next video.
Hello people! In today's news, Kimi is going to do a natural makeup. She's doing a red lipstick with no other face transformation.